Sik, good afternoon po.
Opo.
Ang tanong ko po ay, what specific task does the Presidential Advisor for Sustainable and Resilient Communities do, and why was Frasco chosen for the said position?
First of all, the Secretary Frasco still have the trust given by the President. The President knows that she can perform the task given to her as Presidential Advisor for Sustainable and Resilient Communities. The task given to her, and I will just quote, number 1, facilitate the integration and alignment of national government initiatives, plans, policies, and programs aimed at promoting sustainable and resilient communities, including initiatives relating to disaster risk reduction, climate adaptation, environmental stewardship, and sustainable local development. Another task, coordinate with national government agencies, local government units, and relevant stakeholders to support the effective implementation of presidential directives and priority national initiatives relating to sustainable and resilient communities. Monitor the progress of implementation of such directives and initiatives and identify gaps, bottlenecks, or coordination issues affecting efforts to promote sustainability and resilience of communities. So, mas alam po ng Pangulo na kakayanin po ni Secretary Frasco ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa lokal na pamahalaan at sa patungkol po para po mas maibsan po ang mga maaaring danasin ng ating mga kababayan kapag po may mga sakuna o may mga pangyayaring hindi natin inaasahan tulad ng bagyo, lindol, at iba pang mga klaseng maaaring emergency cases.